Hi
Yeah,
guys,
so all you got to do is push it open with your hand.
it is me, Poppy,
I
and
don't know, I might be going to that
I-
thing in somewhere. Is that Tigger over there? Oh no, it's not.
I am doing
Basket.
a slime video. So I already put my glue in here. Now I just need to do my bicarbonate soda.
They're coming Saturday to
Then
what?
mix it all together. Again, next point activate it in.
Where are they from? What shop's that?
Mix it. And you should see starting to come together, see? Two.
I thought it was on about the wardrobe a minute ago.
Then look.
What do you need curtains for in the bedroom? The bedroom or the lounge? Oh.
Guys, that was just my activator
So
here.
no one's going to know about the curtains in the bedroom, are
It
they?
needs to contain boric acid, otherwise it won't work.
No, I've been here 7 years and I don't shut them. No, Mum, you can come and meet me tomorrow in Solihull. I've got to go to the job centre.
Here it is.
On
Just
the night?
joking.
Why? With Kay, doesn't she finish work before then?
So, here
You just
is...
said 20 past 5, so she's
I'll
coming
show
at
you.
4:40.
Today. Guys, I will show you from the top if that's okay.
I thought the doctor's was only around the corner. So she's coming for you, just to take you to the doctor's? You could have just met me in Solihull tomorrow night. Well, rearrange it. You've got loads of stuff. I sorted your stuff out, Mum. The stuff hanging up. Oh, I bought a top today because I had to because I've got no minute. I've got no clothes.
So,
Well, you've got a
I'm
t-shirt
currently still mixing. Guys, it's coming together. Yes.
Yeah.
Guys, you'll be thinking in your head, Pappy, that is not slime. But look at it. See?
You could have met me in Solihull tomorrow. You've only got to get on the bus. It's 20 past the hour. There's nothing to be frightened about. You just walk out and then you get on the bus. You walk down the shop.
Guys, I'm going to tip it on the surface.
No, you've walked down the shop before when I haven't been there. You said to me. Don't tell me you're just staying there day in and day out. Ridiculous. That's ridiculous.
So,
I don't know. Mama might be going out. I said, you need to get on the bus and meet me. Hello.
guys, this is a really good slime.
You need to get on the bus, Mum. Well, Mum, you're going to have to try and deal with it because you need to be getting out. You can't just keep avoiding it. You have to get out. If it's tomorrow, next week, the week after, you've got to get on that bus. And I'll meet you at the other end. Fuck's sake, Mum. You put your black leggings on, a pair of trainers, no socks, and a t-shirt because it's going to be warm. That's all you need. I wear trainers all the time because I've got to. Loads of people wear trainers. Some wears trainers all year through, don't they?
Sorry.
You wear them trainers like what I've got. The ones you've got the pale coloured and I've got the blacky coloured. Yeah,
Roll
they're
time
not
lapse.
pale brown, aren't they? The ones that, yeah,
So
they're
yummy.
exactly the same as mine, but mine are like a blacky colour.
I'm not actually rolling time lapse, but still,
Yeah,
it looks
black
okay.
leggings, because people still wear leggings, and just a t-shirt, that's all you need.
So here
And
is the colour of my
birthday
slime.
20
It's
past the
so
hour.
stretchy. It can do a
So
perfect
realistically, on
slime
the
as
birthday,
well.
20 past 9.
It crunches a bit.
Well, you've got to be there just before 20 past.
Then
Because they're only every
Paranoid.
hour.
So
So
on
you
the
need to be there about
come
quarter
on.
past 9, quarter past 10, quarter past 11.
It's a perfect slime. So, guys, this is the perfect slime for me. So this is a quick and very easy. This is this.
I'll speak to Nanny, say thank you for the shoes because she
Wait.
paid for them. Don't shout loud.
Hello, Nanny. Hello. Good, I'm doing a YouTube video. Yeah. Yes, I am. Yep, I've actually got some new shoes for once. Yep, guys. Yep. Thank you. Guys, right there. I love you too. Yep. Okay. Okay, Nana. Thank you. Yep. Okay. Bye-bye. So, it is very structured like this. Got great control.
Do what you need to do. Don't look at it.
So, you need to do this. Place on the table. Let's do some ASMRs.
How the spider's going to get in, I've just said. What, with the window shut? Mum, they're not going to be able to get in a minute little gap. Just shut the bloody window. Well, just push it so you can just about see out. See, just push it to.
I will be doing slime pet peeve.
Just push it so there's only a tiny. So you don't know if it can get through.
So that's the first slime pet peeve is when they don't poke or pop the bubbles. Right.
Why did you just have box down? So you just squash it all down? Well, I'm sure you could have mixed it up more.
So let me make a quick bubble. So.
No, the other brush she's down there before that one. Yeah, I've been texting my dad for it, I didn't know how I'll soak it. He's never fucking answered she back on top. But he's been there all day since 9:15 this morning. Yeah, but I think he's stuck in the middle of the keys. He's stuck in the hotel. She might be out, so I don't know. She's really groggy and that was it. You don't really go.
So I just have to make this beautiful slime.
I just said to him, I'll text you tomorrow. What? Yeah, I said Mum said I spoke to Mum last night. I said Mum said she was going to Oh, sorry, please. I said, you know how half soaked my dad is? You never get the text message till about an hour afterwards. Just to say, and he said about 2 words. Yeah, he just said that. Okay. About 10 minutes. got a vest on.
Hey.
No, I've not got.
So I got my swimming pool. Let's go and have some outdoor fun. So here's my slide. I'm just gonna get on my 2 trampolines. Okay. Yee. Boing. Guys, I might go live, but you have to subscribe to my channel, please. So yeah, I'm just gonna eat my yummy noodles.
Want tomato sauce?
Yes, please. So I'm gonna eat my noodles.